Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create running totals in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. In the first column, we are having year. In the second column, the quantity. Now we want to create the running total, which means that in 2002, the quantity should be the summation of this and this. In 2003, it should be the total of 1, 2, and 3. How we can do this? Write down sum fix B2, that is dollar B dollar 2, and write it down B2. Enter. Now simply double click here and you will get the running total. You can see this is 550, the total of this cell and this cell. This is 875. So the total of 1, 2, and 3. So this is how you can create running totals in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias. Link given in the description box.